Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today, as you can see here, I have my Galaxy Fold on me, and that's actually because I'm actually recording this video right now with the Pixel 4a XL. So I want to go and test this camera and everything at 4K at 30 FPS. So let me know, how do I sound, and look in the comments below. But today, as you can see here, I got a little gift from Samsung. Okay, it's not really a gift, it's actually more something like I ordered from Samsung. But I finally got my Samsung money card, and I want to go and check this thing out. Alright, so we're back here at the classic unboxing table, as you can see here. But Samsung finally came out with their Samsung money card here in the States, and I finally want to go and check this thing out. I finally got my card here. So it took about a week for the card to finally get here, but the thing was, Samsung didn't let you link your existing SoFi account, so if you already had a SoFi account, you couldn't actually get the Samsung money card right away. And apparently I already had a Samsung money card, so when they finally let people link their SoFi accounts, that's when I was able to get my Samsung money card and open my account. So this is gonna be a Samsung debit card basically, and well, it's pretty simple. This is what you get in the mail. So look through USPS, that's what you should be getting. But yeah, we're basically gonna just crack right up into it. So we got Samsung money by SoFi, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go and take this out the box here. I got my Galaxy Fold right over there to link the card and whatever. But you get this card here, which basically says Samsung Pay with SoFi here, and well, that's pretty much it. But if we go and flip it around here, as you can see here, it says Samsung Money by SoFi. Welcome to the future of managing your finances. Do more with your money. So I guess it's a nice little presentation right here. And on the side note, I want to say real quick that there's a thunderstorm going on right now, so you might hear thunder. And last time there was a thunderstorm, which was like a month ago, my whole power went out, so let's hope that don't happen again. But it's a nice little presentation. So we have over here, we have our Samsung Money by SoFi card. It says activate your new card. And then it says this: open Samsung Pay or tap your card on the back of the phone to activate. So yeah, that's basically it. You just take this off of this, and well, that's pretty much it. So I got my name here. As you can see here, this logo means that you could just tap it on the terminal and then just pay that way. You don't have to put in a chip or anything. Pretty much like your phone. And then we have Samsung Money, SoFi again, and it also says issued by the Bank Corp Bank. Please visit the Samsung Pay app for assistance. And then, well, yes. So let's go and check out that app. So basically from here, you would just go ahead and unlock your phone. You go over here to the Samsung Pay app real quick. So let's go over here. Let's go to Samsung Pay. Let's go over to Samsung Money, and then you just go ahead and do your fingerprint or whatever. So I'm gonna go and do that real quick, and then there we go. So now I'm logged in. So you see here on the screen, it says card on the way. Tell us when you get it and we'll turn on transactions. So I'm gonna go and hit, whoa, do you hear that thunder? Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, my power definitely might be going out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and hit on, I got my card here, and then we're gonna just go ahead and tap the card on the back of the phone, as you can see here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and tap where this logo says on the back of my phone. So let's go and do that. And let's just go ahead and try to find it. Okay, there we go. So now it says activate your card to turn on transactions. So I'm gonna go and hit activate card. And well, yep, so the card's ready for use, and now it's already been in my Samsung Pay, but now I can go ahead and actually use the card. So the benefits with this card is it basically works like if you were using Samsung Pay on your phone. So basically you get Samsung points just for using this card like you would with your phone. So it's pretty much like a debit card, but you get some credit card rewards with it. And at that, apparently they don't charge you any monthly fees or anything, so that's good. But as you can see here in the Samsung Pay app, it actually says that we get exclusive Samsung benefits. So we get up to 30% on the Samsung website when we use our Samsung money card. So that's pretty cool. So you tap on start saving, you can scroll through this if you want to, and then you would tap on get access now, and then it will go ahead and bring you to this webpage here, which is basically Samsung.com. And it says, welcome to the Samsung Money Member Store. Please log in to get your special pricing. So I'm gonna go and get out of here, y'all. It's a nice design, but it's not like aluminum or anything like the Apple card. It's just like regular plastic, like all of your other regular debit cards. But yeah, I do really like the design on here, like in the front and everything. Like you can actually feel this design right here, as you can see. But thanks for watching, y'all. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at eCentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. But Instagram and Twitter is our most active. But are you going to get the Samsung money card? Let me know in the comments below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Also, like I said, don't forget to let me know how I look in this Pixel 4a video.